Hi there, and welcome to Richmond Woodworks. Today we'll be getting rid of this big white shed and some of these plants you see behind me to make way for my brand new workshop. So stick around and cue the montage. Wow, that was far more work than I thought it was going to be. But with stage one done now, with all the trees out, next stage is to actually demolish the shed. Big thanks to my neighbour to lending me the shovel. It's probably something I should have bought earlier. So let's kick that off now. So here we are inside the shed. There's a lot of rat droppings and it's a bit dirty in here. So I'm very much looking forward to my new clean shed. Because of all that, I might wear this. It's probably not a bad idea. But the good part is that I get to use my new toy. It's gonna be fun. Oh man, it's a bit of work. So all the vines and everything seem to be growing all behind the walls, which is great. Nice bit of gardening as well. It's a pretty old shed. Everything's a little bit rotten, but got a nice skylight. That's always nice. Alrighty. So just like every project, there's always a bit of a snag. So, as the age-old saying goes, that I just made up, every new project is a good excuse to buy a new tool. So I bought myself a reciprocating saw. Here we go. Well, I'm suitably exhausted. Have the skip coming next week for all the rubbish. The shed's done. I did a really dodgy job with the wall over there, but it's better than nothing. I think I'm done for the day. See you all next time.